Hello! Alright, once again, hi! Hello! Alright, alam kong mataas ang energy ng lahat at napakadami natin. Okay? Hindi rin po namin na-expect na ganito karami. Okay, hello everyone. Today we are going to start. May request, please stand up and as we welcome our birthday celebrant. Come on! Come on, let's stand up. Alright, once again, jolly afternoon to everyone. Today you are here at Jollibee Pagkain as we celebrate the birthday of Princess Cathy. Alright, bago ang lahat, syempre, I'm your party host for today. I'm your Ate Zem. And together with me are Kuya Mike and Anika. At bago natin papasukin ang ating birthday girl, gusto ko munang batiin natin siya ng malakas na happy birthday. Alright, ready? In 1, 2, 3, happy birthday! Ay, bakit ano?